Let's begin. Press comma to open up the lightbox. Go under Project, open up a female model that comes with ZBrush. We will use this female model to help us with forming the skirt. Then go under Subtool, click on Append, click on Cylinder 3D, click on Cylinder Subtool Layer to edit it. Press W to turn on Gizmo and scale it down to fit the model, just below the waistline. Now, increase the resolution of the cylinder so that our mask can be as smooth as possible. Turn on Polyframe by pressing this button or Shift F. Go under Tool, Geometry, Dynamesh, turn off Blur, and increase the resolution up to 800K so that the pixels look smaller. Press F to fit to screen. If you use a lower resolution, for example 512, the squares will look bigger. We only need